I know you're excited to get to the planning, but I wanted to give you a brief overview of the different resources on our Google site. You can navigate through the different pages by clicking on the tabs at the top right. Your homepage reminds you of your driving question, which is, how can you, as a team of travel agents, plan a dream summer vacation? Under research, you will find some resources that will help you decide where you would like to go. You can click on each of the logos and it's interactive, so it will take you directly to the website, which will help give you some information in making your choice. Once you've decided where you're going to go, you have to plan the travel and the lodging, and a few suggestions for doing so are also on this infographic. The next page is for collaboration because this is one of the most important pieces of this project. Each group will have their own Google Classroom set up to use for communicating with each other. Our class will be using a Padlet question and answer board to post any questions that we have so that if you have a question, I can guarantee you someone else has it, so you can always check here if you're stuck with something. There's a document here that you'll use to persuade your classmates as to where you would like to travel. And we also have a budget ledger to help keep track of our expenses. And at the bottom, there's a Google form that I'll just do some occasional temperature checks to see how your group is progressing. Under the assessments page, you will see the rubrics that I will be using as well as your classmates will be using to give our teammates and our classmates some feedback as to how well we collaborated together. And under your resources page, as we come up with some questions and I realize that you guys might need some extra help, I'll post some information here. Right now there's a video on subtracting across zeros that will help you when you get started with your budget, since we have an initial budget of $10,000. So that's just a very quick overview, and I'm so excited to see the trips that you plan, and I hope that you enjoy this real-world connection while practicing your math and language arts skills.